The last time we looked at SUI, our analysis played out within a couple of days, and we are going to look to do the same again in this video. Before I begin the video, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comments section below I am going to pin a link to our preferred trading exchange. If you're looking to sign up and receive deposit bonuses and trade discounts on your fees, then I will pin a link to our preferred exchange, which is Blowfin. There is no KYC to sign up. Really great user experience on the platform, and as I said, that is our preferred exchange. Before also I begin this analysis, it's important to understand this is not financial advice. This is just my own opinion and what I am seeing in the charts. So looking at SUI here, I've got the lines marked out and the areas marked out that we had interest in before. We was looking at this uptrend starting towards the end of October. It was respected a number of times, and we highlighted this area for a potential retest on daily demand. We'd already recently had it, and I said we're looking for another retest of the area for a push up, or a close above the recent highs to potentially swing long back into price discovery mode, or a breakdown of this trend line. Now we can see that we first of all got the retest just a couple of days after I did the analysis. So we've got this wick here back onto the trend line and the demand zone highlighted, and we've got like a 15-16% move from that. Was unable to break the highs at $5.30, which we looked at as well. So of course there was no confirmed breakout, but we did get this confirmed breakdown. Just look at this daily candle here. Once it accepted below the daily trend line, we got two potential short entries back at the retest. We gave a bearish retest and pushed lower. This has since moved down a significant amount, so this was a potential swing short position, in fact giving a 57% move from that trend line breakdown. We can see it pretty much gave a full reversal. The trend, the uptrend pretty much been mirrored down, and we can see where we have recently got a bounce from. Back at the start of March was this daily demand area, which was left behind just before we saw the strong breakout. So that was the exact bounce there, just giving a nice move up so far. But we should be aware of this sort of rising channel that we're in now, watching for a potential breakdown to head lower. So my areas of interest now and what I can see happening, I'm looking for daily support to form back down towards these lows, but I'm also interested in this area here, which we've got a flat bottom daily candle left behind from the 14th of March, has not yet been tested. That sits at around $2.17. So I'm going to set alerts. Any move into $2.17 we want to see potentially form sort of range lows in this area, moves down like that. And then to the upside I have my eye, and I'm going to set alerts for around about $2.77, where we saw this breakdown here. It was also previous daily support for a little while, rejection there. So we'll be looking for the reaction in this area. If it flips above, we could see a move like this. So flip above the $2.80 area, potential for a retest, and then a push back towards $3.10. But I will also be looking for a rejection here to swing it back to the lows. So this can kind of potentially form a range where we can take entries for longer positions at $2.15 and short positions at $2.80. That is my idea from now of sort of areas of interest, but I think we need to be careful when in altcoins. Just over the next couple of days, we obviously have the US tariffs due to come in effect on the 2nd of April. So depending on what happens there, we can expect to see some volatility in the markets in the coming weeks. Let me know your thoughts, guys, on SUI, what you expect from here and what your long-term price targets are for this coin. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.